Oh, we have blinds, we have mattresses, we have carpet. We have a propane tank. We have a lamp. Oh, bulk pickup is tomorrow, isn't it? But they're not going to pick this up, are they?
No. Otherwise they would have done it 2 weeks ago.
Oh, we have a brush here. There's a video camera up there.
I would start here where your paint cans are.
We have paint cans. Oh, we have glass.
These were on the sidewalk when I got here.
Okay.
All your broken glass in the driveway. All the raw, that's whatever. I don't know if these cracks were already here.
No.
Get on the corner, all the cracks underneath the stucco, everything on the siding. This ensemble where they just screwed right into the top.
Yeah.
And put that security.
We're gonna have this house repainted, and they'll have to restucco. So that'll be part of the paint.
And a city trash can. That's busted in. I don't know what the heck's going on with all these wires, cables, drilled right through the hole, right through the side of the house right there.
Well,
I don't know what this is. Another little security camera or something.
Yep. Those will be gone.
All this stuff, screen damage. Legit, I have no idea what this is. Don't know what this is.
What the hell is that? Oh, you know what that is?
A mouse trap maybe or something weird. Good. I put them on, we'll pull them up and put them right here. Oof, you get a whiff of that?
Yeah.
Things like this, where Christmas lights were hung probably.
I don't think that was me.
No, why would you screw? Who would do that?
Nice barbecue. Definitely going to get the.
This was actually out there on the rocks. You know,
oh.
Bit for you.
Thanks.
Black paint stain. I don't know what the hell they painted something here and got the stucco with overspray. You see it?
Yep.
Well, you're not looking.
Oh, I did see it. I saw it right away.
Oh, right here. This is huge. I just saw it. This is where their car was pulled up and spilled antifreeze or something.
You know what? Your pressure washer will take care of that.
I'm just saying.
Yeah.
BB hole.
Yeah,
hole.
that's a big window too.
All this blood or whatever the F is on the back side of this. This is just typical. This actually isn't that terrible. So.
Oh, is this the light that was on right there? Or is it the one on the side?
I don't even remember.
Okay.
Oh, right here. This is this one.
Oh.
Oh, another BB hole. That's going to be a fun one to replace.
We'll hit this with the, they had a pot here.
That's what I was thinking. They probably had it across the whole thing.
Yeah.
Because that's why all this shit, look, all this is reworked.
Yeah, they had pots.
Look, all that's reworked.
Yeah. Let's get we're going to have the whole house repaint it. And
this right here.
the hell's that?
More security camera stuff, plus where they knocked out the tile to get it in there.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I didn't even show you all this over here. More trash.
Yeah. Oh. You need.
They might have done this themselves, repaired this or something.
Hmm. All right, so this thing has to come down.
This blanket was up over this.
Like you say, just loosen the bolts and take a.
This camera's still on.
Wow, nice camera.
It's green, so say hi. Over here, I don't know what this was. They did some duct work or something, or maybe this is for the irrigation.
Do you have a, is there a, what do you call it? Goodwill around here?
A dumpster?
Or a Goodwill? Just dumpster it.
Yeah, I'm not, no.
All right.
Dumpster, everything. So look, I don't understand what's the deal with this cord. Ran all the way around the outside of the house.
Holy shit. Wow, I got to take a picture of this for Terry. Terry, you're not going to effing believe this.
This right here.
Wow. Okay, we've seen it all. Other- yeah, it's definitely dry rotted.
And then over here,
What?
I don't know what the hell they were doing on this roof.
Oh my God. There's the cameras and there's the